Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Goodnovel app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on language settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you change language here in this list. So when you just select it, you click here on select here, then it's going to add with you on your Goodnovel app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.